pangit. Hey, what's up you guys? Wait lang, pangit naman. Alat-alat. Bakit naman makakabaon? So, I'm filming with my 4R IG Reels, guys. So, for today's video, wait. May nag-notif na naman, Hope Official. Sino to? Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, dapat mag-unbox, pero wala namang ina-unbox. Wait lang, may nag-notif eh. Guys, you know this is my voice right now. I don't know why. Si Jay. Sabi, si Jay. Kamukha niya si kamukha niya like si Wunak. By the way, shout out to... So, hey guys. So, wait lang. I need to film. So, hi guys. It's me, Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, this is first time ko ulit mag-vlog. 9 days, 10 days na yung last upload ko. So, annyeonghaseyo, Junun, Luigi, ayo. Today's video, mag-haul tayo ng parcel. And, diba, sabi ko noon, mag-aano tayo, magko-call break. Pero nag-unbox ako ng, ano na yun, ng TWS. Yung color blue, TWS membership. I don't know kung gano'n, basta, so, Luis, Philippines Haramis Soyo vlogger. I don't know, guys. So, yes, I'm just reading na siya, guys. Nag-read na pala ako nito. And I have notes na here. Yan yung mga notes. Asan na ba yung mga notes? Kung makikita nyo. So, yes. For today's video. Ayun na nga, di ba? So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and notification bell to update na may advance. So, nakikita nyo naman yung mga, yung mga short reels ko. So, you can follow me on TikTok at Luigi Victoriano. So, yeah. So, ayan na. Sige na, mag-unbox na tayo. At hindi siya nakakrap. Kala ko ba nakakrap to? Ba't parang nakakrap to kanina? So, yes. I-open na natin siya. So, di ko alam kung ano to. Kung anong album to. So, what album is this? Bakit wala kang cutter? Scissor. So, by the way, madami siya. Madami talaga naman. Na ito, sabi niya is Kamsamida Chingu. Sabi niya, hello my friend. Ayan. Chingu. Kindly film an unboxing video in case you're ruined into any issues with your order. We'd be happy to help out. Love your pulse. Let's go. Kasi di ko na alam kung ano yung mga... So, ayun guys. Wait lang. So, for those who want to collaborate with me, like the crypto, the widget... Oh my god! Ay, naka-video. Guys. Ciao, guys. Rise album. Naman siya tignan. So, di ko alam mo ito ba yung uunahin natin. Pero meron pa akong mga Rise. Ko to. Let's go for Shotaro. Anyway. Let's go. Ayun, lahat dapat sila bias ko. Like, meron silang bagong album ngayon na Odyssey. Careful kasi wala tayong cutter and gunting lang talaga siya. Di ba pabuksan do? Buksan mo. Mayroon namang eksena. Oh my god. Bubuksan ko ba siya? Sige na, bubuksan na siya. Kala mo na kasi ako may important video so... Oh my god, first unboxing video. So, this is their first mini album. Pag open mo, ano ba makikita pag open? Ayan, ano nakasulat? Once a gentle breeze. Oh my god! Oh my god! Walang ang cool ni yun. So, tapos si Sohee. Gets. Boom 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 bass. Wow. May lumalabas na, nakikita ko na may lumalabas na guys. Shotaro. Pakita ko babalat ang buong page. Wait lang, nahulog yung photo card. Wait lang. So, wait lang. Ito muna siya guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ilalagay mo natin siya sa baba. So, oh my god. Ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Did you see that abs? Oh my god. Kasi hindi ko talaga tinitignan lahat ng mga pages ng kapag nag-unbox ako ng mga album. Hindi ko talaga siya tinitignan ng ano, like pagkatapos ito may stock na siya, ganun. Oh my god, di ko talaga siya na ano, natitignan ng This is my favorite picture of Shotaro. Oh my god, I don't know why. Like, super ganda talaga, guys. Stream their new music, guys. You need to stand Rise. Rise is, oh my god. What? 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 Oh my god, I love this concept, guys. Swear. You need to try it, and this is there. Oh, the last page and the CD Rise. CD. Taran! So wait lang, I'm gonna film for my... Ay, papasok. Mag-film lang ako for my phone. So open na natin siya, and hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya set up. So ito na yung my CD. And yes, guys. Oh my god, this is the... Oh my god. One. And there's sticker. Oh my god, I love this sticker. Okay? Gagamitin ko siya. Di ko alam kung saan ko siya gagamitin. And this is their poster. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Kasya sa buong iPad ko. Kasya kayo dyan sa buong iPad ko. And their words, ayan, ito yung letters nila, mga ano, from Shotaro, from Yonzo, from Songchan, Wonbin, Suhi, Anton. And this is, kita nyo ba yan? Oh, iba talaga. So yes, I don't know, baka this is the short clip lang, guys. And let's go. Ay, isang photo word lang, kala ko siya dalawa. Oh my god, di ko alam, wait lang. 5, 4, 3, 4. 3, 2, oh. Oh my god, guys. So I don't know. Guys, so this is our first unboxing for Rise. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to update on every upload. Bye guys. Bye. Bye bye. Wait lang, let's take a picture. Yung CD.